Welcome back to another episode of Game of Thrones. Last episode we saw some really key scenes, some really key things that happened. For example, Jon executed Lord Janos for disobeying his order as the new commander of the Night's Watch. Now, being commander of the Night's Watch, Sir Alliser knew you don't disobey the command that you're given by the Night's Watch commander, because when he was, even he would do the same to somebody who disobeyed. So when it actually came to Lord Janos being taken outside for execution, Alliser stepped aside and let the Night's Watch brothers take Janos away. I think that had a lot of meaning to it. Not only was it because Jon Snow gave Alliser a job and title and role as a brother of the Night's Watch, which he respected and could respect Jon for giving him for, because he knew that you don't disobey the commander of the Night's Watch orders. When it came to the execution, of course, Janos was afraid, he said he was always afraid, always has been afraid. He was wrong, he would move to where Jon Snow was sending him. Jon Snow still chopped his head off, sliced his head off clean through the neck, with Stannis Baratheon watching, which also, I think, had a big meaning. Also, what happened in the last episode was Varys and Tyrion. Now then, Varys was obviously talking about going to Volantis, and I thought it slipped up, but it was literally just an innocent mistake about just stopping by Volantis on the way to Meereen. Meanwhile, on this stop-off, where Tyrion demanded that he got off the wagon and out the box, he was kidnapped by Jorah. Now, Jorah is on his way back from Meereen, from Daenerys, and he's taken Tyrion back to the Queen in King's Landing. That's what he's doing. He's taking Tyrion's head because he knows there is a price out there on his head for anybody that brings him his head. And now Jorah has found him and Jorah is taking him back. Why Varys wasn't watching properly and how he snuck off so well, I do not know. But Varys has to get him quick before Jorah takes off with him, because that means bad news. Big bad news. Right, let's get on with this episode. Really excited to see what happens after what the last episode had installed for us. So yeah, enjoy. That's Jorah, isn't it? Knew it. He's going to take the boat and he's going to piss off. He's going to take Tyrion with him. Giving the Queen no reason to hate Jorah anymore for betraying them and staying with Daenerys. Fuck. God damn it. Oh, Jesus. Jorah, man, I trusted you, even though you were a spy, but I ended up trusting you. You bastard.
You set your brother free, didn't you? I bet your sister didn't like that.
She didn't.
Varys set him free.
You helped.
No, we must arrange better terms with the Iron Bank.
Absolutely.
In person. He's ordered Sir Meryn to personally lead your escort.
My very own King's Guard. Please express
Safe
my...
travels, Lord Tyrell.
Of course. I'll give your regards to the Titan of Braavos.
I don't trust that whatsoever. Something smells of fish.
Help me!
Oh!
This is not establish his establishment.
What the fuck? What the fuck? It's like a fucking cult. Oh shit.
Get your hands off
Sir
me!
Loris of House Tyrell, you have broken the laws of gods and men. Who do you think you are? Justice.
What the fuck is going on?
Why is my brother in a cell?
Bastard! You're an abomination! Born of sin! Filthy bastard!
Oh, poor Tommen.
I should have given you a son.
Not your fault.
Whose then? I gave you nothing but weakness
Hey, she's strong.
and deformity.
Oh, fuck off.
We need men and supplies, and Roose Bolton's the warden of the
You
North.
murdered my brother.
We swore to be the watchers on the wall. We can't watch the wall with 50 men. And we can't get more men without help from the warden of the North.
He's got a point. Can't hold a personal vendetta, as shit as it is, to stop you from being able to defend the wall. Sometimes you just gotta do something you don't like to be able to do what you want to and need to do.
You're gonna show me some vision in the fire. Forgive me, my lady. I don't trust in visions.
No visions. No magic. Just life.
I'm going to seduce you with my body, as always.
I can't.
Why?
I swore a vow.
Don't do it, John. She's a sleazy, manipulative
I loved another.
bitch.
The dead don't need lovers. Only the living.
I know. But I still love her.
Piss off. Get lost.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Every fucker says that. I feel like she said that on purpose.
They stopped the disease and saved your life. Because you did not belong across the world with the bloody stone man. You were the Princess Shireen of House Baratheon. And you are my daughter.
Aww. Stannis the Manis has a heart and he loves his family. That's really nice, you know, because her mum's a bitch. She is so ashamed of her. But Stannis loves her. It proves he does have a heart. It's a nice reminder.
His father frightens me.
You should. He's a dangerous man. But even the most dangerous men can be outmaneuvered. And you've learned to maneuver from the very best. I'll return before too long. You'll be strong without me. The North will be yours. Do you believe me?
Oh, I don't know what to feel about Peter Baelish. He's always got something up his sleeve. He's always planning something, and I can't trust him. But right now, he's helping Sansa as much as he can. Well, supposedly. To defeat and figure out how she can live with these people, the Boltons. He's actually been really great to her, and it's annoying me as hell